Hello friends, this is Analog Timer YouTube channel. Do we shop online properly? Sometimes yes. Sometimes no. If you say no or I don't know for the answer, then continue this video. This is useful to you. Watch the video till conclusion part. Let's start with little story of true incident based on European Union report. So we need to know how to shop online properly. Let's see some tips. First one, use familiar websites. Search results can be rigged to mislead you. If you know the site, it is less likely to get ripped off. Every major retailer has an online store, from Target to Best Buy to Home Depot. Beware of typos or sites using a different top-level domain. Second one, locate the lock. If a website has SSL, its URL will begin with HTTPS, letting you know. The address bar will normally show a symbol of a locked padlock to the left of the URL. Any page lacking the additional S is marked by Google Chrome as not secure. Third one, limit your sharing. Try to default to disclosing as little personal information as you can. No internet retailer needs your birth date or social security number to conduct business. The easier it is for con artists to take your identity, the more they know. Major websites are frequently breached. Number 4. Create strong passwords. If you think your password isn't perfect, the best course of action is to use a password manager to generate unbreakable passwords for you. It tracks them and enters them so you don't have to think about it. Number 5. Review statements frequently. Visit the website frequently to examine the electronic statements for your bank, debit, and credit cards. Keep an eye out for any erroneous charges, even those coming from PayPal and Venmo. In the case of credit cards, pay the bill only when you know all your charges are accurate. Number 6. Protect your computer or laptop. You need to protect against malware with regular updates to your antivirus program. Even better, invest in a complete security package. It will battle spam, spear phishing emails, and internet phishing assaults. In addition to having antivirus software, the latter two try to steal your personal info. Tip number 7 is make your Wi-Fi private. Even if they are free, stay with well-known networks like those at Starbucks or Barnes & Noble stores if you are shopping using a public hotspot. You can typically trust any of the service providers listed in our roundup of the fastest free nationwide Wi-Fi, but for added security, you should definitely also utilize a virtual private network (VPN). Tip number 8 is avoid shopping in public. It's one thing to hand your credit card over to be swiped at the register. What about shopping on your personal laptop while out and about? Adopt a gangster mentality, facing the door, take a seat at the back. Staying at home while buying online is preferable. Ninth tip. Check the seller. Do your research if you have concerns about a website. Reviews of retailers abound on Google and Yelp. Make sure you have the seller's exact address and working phone number. You have a place to complain if things go wrong. Last tip is complain loud and proud. If you are being conned while shopping online, don't be ashamed. Instead, become extremely furious. Dispute with the vendor. Report it to the police, your state's attorney general, or the Federal Trade Commission. Drop your like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon.